Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Just doing a little pick here. Just did a package opening and got this from Barry from Southampton Lockpicking Club, and I was just itching to pick it. This is an Ace padlock. Measures. I always do a full description of the lock in the description, just to give you an idea. 50mm wide, and the shackle is 9.5, so 9.5mm shackle. It's pretty beefy lot, and I think it's could be stainless steel or very heavy steel. It feels very heavy, so it's pretty sturdy. Sprung core, sprung shackle, ball bearing locking. Only on both sides actually. Sorry, I was turned around, I couldn't see it, and it is guttable, as you can see. So okay, and it's not key retaining. The bottom of it looks like a American sort of base plate shape, and or master American packlock sort of shape, and the keyway looks like a Yale style sort of keyway, but smaller. So probably might have to work off that ledge just right there and sort of pick up on an angle. So I might have to use a smaller pick than my usual favourite. Yeah. Alrighty, let's get to pick it then. Now my focus has gone all weird now. There we go. So, yeah, last night I was uploading a video about all these unusual comments everyone's been getting on their channels from these spam bots. Like I've received a few myself, saying here before 300, great content, keep it up, let's be YouTube friends. You know, a lot of them say that let's be YouTube friends, but they're all fake accounts. They're not real people. They are made by people, but they're not operated by people. Yeah, they're just spam bots, and they have a ridiculous amount of subscribers with absolutely no content. And yeah, I think Black Dolphin just was uploaded his while I was uploading mine, so I just decided not to upload mine, because he did a much better job of explaining it than I did. Because he had his computer there and could sort of show everything that's going on, and you know what to do and how to block them and all that. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend blocking them and not subscribing, because yeah, your account could get compromised. So yeah, just thought I'd talk about that for 1 second. Because yeah, it's just yeah, it'd be good if everyone could just be aware of that, and if people aren't aware that their channel is getting those comments, just make them aware, and so they can take the appropriate steps to make sure their account is secure. Alrighty, so I'm using a 0.8mm top of the keyway. I reckon I'll go in with the scimitar, because I think the B shoot is going to be a little bit too much for those low cuts, and this tensioner does not want to stay in there. Alrighty, so I'm going to hold it this way. Might be okay. Yep. Alright. So let's see what we have here. Okay, springy, 2 springy, 3 springy. Okay, it feels like 5 is binding right down the back here. Yeah, it's definitely 5. Try to set 5. Loosen up the tension a little bit. Okay, good, feel it. Oh, got a little click there and a tiny bit of movement on the core. Can't really feel any other binders at the moment. 1, 2, 3, set it all the way. Very tricky lock. It doesn't give you any feedback or any I don't think it's got spores or anything in there. I don't know. It feels very strange. Okay, it's going for a second time. So no 5 is binding. I'll start from the back this time and see how we go. Okay, so I'm under 5 now. I think I might have overset it the first time, so hopefully that wasn't an overset either. Oh gee, tricky little thing. Yeah, everything's gone springy. Wow. Harry, what have you sent me? Yeah, alright, let's give it another go. Now, this tension is not really. I wonder if this will fit in there properly. 1 mil. No. This feels a little bit loose. I don't know if I'll get counter rotation, if I'll be able to manage to give proper manual counter rotation. Okay, so let's find 5 again, that binder. Okay, got a bit of movement on the core then. No prominent click or anything. And everything's gone springy again. Wow, maybe I should start from the front. I might reset this with the key. And, yeah. Yep. Okay, let's give that another go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is binding. So, okay, now I've set it. I think I was oversetting it. Definitely was oversetting it. I think it's 4 there. A little click out of 4. Might have been 3. Oh, okay. Just touched 2 and 1, and we've got an open. Wow, that was a tricky pick. Didn't feel like there was any spores in there or anything like that. And it's very hard to feel the pins, what they were actually doing. I had to play with the tension quite a lot. Yeah, quite a cool little pick, that one actually. Yeah, that bitting didn't help, I'll tell you that much. I'm glad the scimitar worked on that actually, it was good. I need a screwdriver. And the focus keeps going weird and giving me weird light. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, that was a tricky pick. Oop, there we go, everything just popped out. So we've got the screw and the little retainer cap for the base plate. And this has got a C-clip. So I'll get that off. Whoa, that went flying. And there we go. And get the key. Shim. And follow. Key pins are facing in. Alright, we're through. Cool. So it is a 6-pin core, pinned to 5. No serrations on the key pins. Just cut these key pins out and have a bit of a look. So you can see, let's give you a close up here of chamber 6. It's almost like a smaller diameter than the other 5. It's quite interesting. Not sure if it's that extra milling they put on top of these. Yeah, it certainly looks like a smaller diameter. I'll try putting a keep it in there and see if it tweezers. See if it'll fit. See if it can be pinned up to 6. No, keeping it will not fit in there. Very, very interesting. It's different. I'll just arrange these quickly. Okay, for the Bible. So this way and that way, so that would be the front. Okay, sorry about that. Might just mark this quickly. Put a little X on there. Okay, 1 is a standard. Oh, nice. 2, also a standard. Another standard. Yeah, I think these are all standard because I didn't get any counter rotation. Didn't feel like I was in any sets. But it was very dull, very, very dull feedback. There was no prominent clicks, or you could just feel the pin set in your pick and tiny, tiny, minute movements on the core through the tensioner. So you had to sort of really pay attention to that one. That's a nice pick. Alright, I'll just get these parts off and give you guys a close-up of these internals of the Ace. The 50mm closed shackle Ace. So as you can see there, hopefully, the key pins do look tapered, slightly tapered, and the drivers just look pretty much straight cut. Yeah, but the key pins do have slight tapering. Hope that comes up. As you can see there, number 2, 3, 1. So yeah, that was the Ace one, the Ace Padlock. Cool. Alright guys, that's it from me. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.